6 of Child Life Chapters, Colors! I'm gonna get ready and go inside and see Miss Bernadette. Before I do, I need to put on my mask. Let's go!
Hi everyone, Miss Bernadette here. I think I hear Miss Amanda coming. I better get ready and put on my mask. See you when she gets here.
Hi everybody, welcome to Circle Time. Let's get ready to sing hello.
On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Look who came to circle today, today. Look who came to circle today, Miss Bernadette did.
Hi Miss Bernadette.
Hi Miss Amanda, hi everybody. Look who came to circle today, today. Look who came to circle today, Miss Amanda did. Hi Miss Amanda.
Hi Miss Bernadette. Hi everyone.
Look who came to circle today, today. Look who came to circle today, you did.
Hi everyone.
Hi everybody. Miss Amanda, I thought that today we could talk about colors.
I think that sounds like a great idea. What about you?
Great, because I brought a very special activity with me today.
I wonder what it is.
I'll be right back. So today, I brought my paint with me.
Wow!
And I thought that we could use these 3 colors to make new colors and paint a rainbow.
That sounds like so much fun. Will you help us?
Great, let's start. We first are going to start with 3 colors. Can you tell me what color this is? Good job! It's red. How about this one? What color is this one? Good job! It's blue. And last, what color is this one? Great job! It's yellow. Now we are ready to mix our colors. First, we're going to mix red and yellow. Now we're going to mix together the yellow and red to see what color we get. Do you see that? Wow! What color have we made? Good job! It's orange! So yellow and red make orange. Next, we are going to mix yellow and blue. Now, we're going to mix together the yellow and the blue to see what color we get. Wow, this is amazing too! What color did we make now? You are right! It's green! So yellow and blue together make green. Last, we are going to mix blue and red. Now, we're going to mix the blue and the red together to see what color we get. Ooh, this one's kind of dark. But let's see when we paint with it. Wow! What color did we make? Good job! it's purple. So blue and red together make purple. Look at all the beautiful colors we have now. It looks like a rainbow. Good job.
Wow! Miss Bernadette, that was so much fun learning about mixing colors and making a rainbow.
You really did such a great job, all of you. I also brought a fun color game with me today. Would you like to play?
Yeah!
Great, let's go! Are you ready to play our color game?
I am. What about you guys?
Great!
But Miss Bernadette, how do we play?
Well, first, we are going to pick a color card. Then, I will read the directions on the back, and you, Miss Amanda, and our friends will do what it says.
Great! Are you guys ready? Let's get started.
Here is our first card. Can you tell me what color this is? Good job! It's red. And it says, find the red rectangle and do 1 spin.
Will you guys help me find the red rectangle? Great job! It's right here. Now let's do 1 spin. 1! Good job!
Here's our next card. Can you tell me what color this is? You're right, it's blue. It says, find the blue rectangle and do 2 jumping jacks.
Will you guys help me find the blue rectangle? Good job! It's right here. Now let's do 2 jumping jacks. 1, 2. Good job!
Next, we have this card. Can you tell me what color this is? Great job! It's yellow. It says, find the yellow rectangle and hop on 1 foot 3 times.
Will you guys help me find the yellow rectangle? That's right, it's right here. Now let's do 3 hops on 1 foot. 1, 2, 3. Good job.
Last, we have this card. Can you tell me what color it is? Awesome job! It's green! And it says, find the green rectangle and do all 3. 1 spin, 2 jumping jacks, and 3 hops on 1 foot.
Will you help me find the green rectangle? Good job. It's right here. Now let's do all 3. 1 spin, 2 jumping jacks, 1, 2, and 3 hops on 1 foot. 1, 2, 3. Great job, guys. That was so much fun.
Wow! Miss Amanda, you and our friends did such a great job following directions and playing my color game.
I had so much fun playing that game, and I loved learning all about colors today.
Me too. You are all so smart. Thank you so much for playing and learning with us today. We'll see you next time. Bye! If you like what you saw, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe below.